What is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily pay your ULEZ on London. So all you have to do is just head over to the TFL official website and just look for paying the ULEZ charge. You can go directly to this page just by going to the search bar, then just type pay ULEZ, then you can be redirected to this page, and from here you can see a bunch of options. You can simply just set up auto pay. All you have to do is, of course, just log in or sign in to your account, then just click on the setup auto pay link. From there, you can easily set up auto pay for your account. You don't have to mind your bills because your bill will be automatically charged. And another thing is you can easily just pay the ULEZ charge from the website just by clicking on this button. And another thing is you can easily just contact these hotlines. So in the UK, here's the hotline, and internationally, here's their hotline. You can also contact them through text phone. And just a reminder that their lines are open between 8 to 8 p.m. Monday to Friday. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!